Ni hao, hi. In this short video, I will show you the cost of living in Hong Kong. $1 is about $7.75. The best way to get around the city is to get an octopus card for $19. Many accommodations in downtown are small and expensive. If you get lucky, there's a broken toilet or a kitchen in the bathroom. Hong Kong KFC is walking distance. You should try their milk tea and breakfast. It's really good. Or you can try boba tea in downtown. ADC is a good place to get cheap breakfast in expensive Hong Kong. What's this place called?
The Australian Dairy Company.
Australian Dairy Company? And then you said here they don't speak English or not really?
Not really.
Okay. Oh shit. If you stay for more than 3 days, you should visit their museum. Or you can line up and visit the peak. If you want to experience Cantonese culture, you should try their food.
Lotus leaf rice.
And how do you eat it?
Did you open?
Yeah. It's describing it. So which one's the stomach?
I think these.
And then what's that one?
That one. Also stomach. You can try. It's difficult to explain.
In the walking tour, the guide talks about how Chinese use exotic animals for medicine. Jonathan, what's this thing called?
It's got 腸粉. Cantonese.
Oh, that's pretty good. Jonathan, there's more Cantonese dishes. What's this one called?
It's the chicken rice.
Okay. What's this one called?
Just pork. But with the bones.
Okay. Max noodle is also good. Chinese people believe the concept of feng shui and positive energy. Every night there's a light show at 8 p.m. Look at this pizza. Oh. Gordon Ramsay also has a restaurant here. You should try. Look at this burger. The meat and the cheese. Oh. Or you can try the fanciest McDonald's in the world for $9. These are Hong Kong snacks you should try. In conclusion, Hong Kong is an expensive city, but there is affordable ways to make it your Disneyland. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel content.